Hey everyone, it's Kelly Lehman from Cranbury Fields Flower Farm, and today I want to show you how to plant gladiolus. These gals are gorgeous, bright, beautiful flowers that really make a statement in your garden or in your landscaping. They make for a great border plant, and they make for great flowers that are planted in groupings. So I'm going to show you how to get these gals in the ground. It's super simple. You just need to find a really sunny spot because gladiolus love sunshine. So full sun is best, but if you have an area that has partial sun, they should still do fine. So you're going to take your gladiolus corm, they're called corms, not bulbs, and you're going to plant it pointy side up, and you're going to put it in the ground about 4 inches deep. And it's a really good idea to plant gladiolus in groupings because they look really great when they're in like a big bunch. So I'm going to plant them about 4 to 6 inches apart. I'm going to do a grouping of 3. And then you're just going to cover them up. And you're going to water them in. And you're going to give it a really good soaking because you want to get that growth process started. And to get that growth process started, they need to be nice and moist. So give them a good soaking. And then keep an eye on what happens with the weather in your area after they're put in the ground. Because if you have a lot of rain in the forecast, you don't have to worry about watering them again. You don't want to waterlog them. But if you don't have a lot of rain coming up and you have a lot of really hot temperature days, you might want to come back in a few days just to check the soil. And if the soil feels dry, give it another shot of water just to kind of keep them moist as they're starting out. Gladiolus are a great flower to grow if you're selling to florists or if you're selling them to wholesalers. They ship really well because you're going to wind up cutting them in a stage when they're not yet bloomed. So they ship super well and they have a terrific vase life. So they make for a great flower for flower farmers. Another plus for these flowers is that they're deer resistant. The deer will usually choose other flowers over gladiolus. If you live in a warmer climate, they should winter over really well and just come back the next year. But if you live in a cooler climate, you might want to add a layer of mulch over the top so that they're kind of tucked in and protected from all the cold. And if you live in a super cold climate, you're probably better off digging these corms up and storing them in a cool, dark place for the winter. You're going to plant your gladiola bulbs in the spring, and then you're going to get a huge burst of gorgeous rainbow color in early summer to midsummer. And a lot of people love gladiola because they have such a huge variety of colors that they're available in. And I think you're going to love these plants. They're a super addition to your landscaping or to your garden or to your flower farm. I hope you enjoy these gals as much as I do. Have a great day.